Want more people to see your videos? In today's video, I'll share how to optimize your videos with keywords and tags so your content becomes more accessible for viewers to find. I'm Hemu, and welcome to Hemu's YouTube Learning Hub. Here, I share tips on how to build a successful channel step by step. If you're new to YouTube, this video will teach you simple strategies to boost your click-through rate and views. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Part 1: The role of keywords. First, let's talk about the role of keywords. Keywords are the words viewers type into the YouTube search bar, for example, how to make a weight loss meal. YouTube uses these keywords to recommend relevant videos to users. If you pick the right keywords, your video is more likely to appear in search results and recommended videos, significantly increasing its chances of being clicked. When your keywords align perfectly with viewers searching, YouTube's algorithm prioritizes your content. Part 2: How to choose the right keywords. Next, let's talk about how to find the right keywords. 1. Find inspiration from YouTube search suggestions. A simple method is to type a topic into the YouTube search bar, like home workouts, and look at the auto-filled popular search suggestions. These are high-traffic keywords. 2. Use keyword tools. To analyze keywords more precisely, you can use tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ. These tools show you a keyword's search volume and competition level. Keywords with high search volume and low competition are the best picks. 3. Types of keywords. Short keywords, for example, fitness. They cover broad topics but are highly competitive. Long-tail keywords, for example, home workout plans for beginners. These have lower search volume but are more precise and great for beginners. 4. Keyword selection strategy. Choose keywords closely related to your video content and balance search volume with competition. Beginners should focus on long-tail keywords, which are easier to rank for. Part 3: Optimizing keywords in video titles. Your video title is the first thing viewers see, so keyword placement is critical. Place your main keyword in the first half of the title to make it easier for search engines to identify. To make your title more engaging, add descriptive words like quick, easy, or must learn. For example, quick start, home workout plan for beginners, 3 simple steps. Part 4: Optimizing keywords in video descriptions. Next, let's look at how to optimize your video description. Include your keywords in the first 2 lines of the description, as this is what appears in search results. For example, today I'm sharing a beginner-friendly home workout plan to help you lose weight. Hashtag home workouts, hashtag workout plan. Avoid keyword stuffing. Instead, weave them naturally into complete sentences for a balance of SEO and readability. Part 5: Tags and how to use them effectively. Finally, let's talk about tags. While tags aren't as important as they used to be, they still help YouTube understand your content better. 1. The role of tags. Tags can increase your chances of appearing in related searches and recommendations. 2. Tag selection strategy. Use your main keywords and their variations, like beginner workouts and workout plan. Add long-tail tags, like how to create a home workout plan, to broaden your exposure. 3. How many tags to use. Typically, 10 to 15 relevant tags are enough. Avoid using unrelated tags to prevent the algorithm from misjudging your content. Part 6: Continuously optimizing keywords and tags. Optimizing keywords and tags is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. 1. Regularly analyze performance. Use YouTube Analytics to check your video's performance and identify which keywords and tags drive the most traffic. Update them as needed. 2. Learn from competitors. Study similar videos or competitors' channels to see which effective keywords and tags they're using, and apply those insights to your content. Today, we talked about how to optimize your videos with keywords and tags. I hope you found these tips helpful. Apply these techniques in every video, and you'll see significant results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. In the next episode, I'll share more practical tips on content optimization to help you grow your channel faster. See you next time.